All right, so we have our foot-long rebar pieces that got at Home Depot, about $1 something a piece. You got your 10-foot section of PEX pipe, 1-inch PEX pipe. So the reason you use the 1-inch, it's more translucent, so the lights show through it. So I'm doing these stakes at 8 feet apart, so a 10-foot post with 8 feet distance between the bases of the rebar. So then you just take your PEX pipe, put it over this end, curve it down, and put it over this end. And so that's what you end up with, is that nice arch. So I'm still working on the lights. I got to cut them all down to length and resolder the ends on. But that's what the arches will look like. So it's going to go across the front of the yard right here. And then it'll run that way. The lights will run that way and this way.